Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to hide Instagram chats without deleting them. All right, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, just go ahead and open up the Instagram app. Now once you're in here, just go to the very top and tap on the DM icon or message icon, okay? Now, if you don't have these options like primary, general, request, and so on and so forth, well, just go ahead over to your profile, okay? Now go to the top right and tap on the three horizontal lines. And here, just scroll down and find the For Professional section, okay? Scroll down and just tap on Creator Tools and Controls. Tap on it. Now just tap on Switch Account Type, okay? Make sure that you are in a professional or business account, not in a personal account. So if you can see professional account right here, just tap on it and follow simple prompts. And once done, go back to the DM section, okay? And you should be able to see these tabs. Now, to hide it, you can go ahead and tap and hold on the message itself or swipe left, okay? I think for iOS, swiping left works, okay? As you can see here, I'm using Android. So I'm just gonna go ahead and tap and hold on it. And then I'm gonna move it to general, okay? Let's say, for example, I'm gonna move all of these to general. Tap and hold, move to general, okay? As you can see, when I close the messenger or DM section and open it back up, we'll be landed to the primary section, which I don't have the messages anymore. So to open those messages up, I'm just gonna go ahead over to general right here. And there I have it. Now, if you wanna get it back to a primary, just tap and hold on it and move to primary. That's basically it. That's how you hide messages here on Instagram without deleting them. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.